In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell event tickets on Shopify. To start, sign into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Products. This is where Shopify keeps everything you sell, including digital items like event tickets. Click Add Product to create a new listing for your event. Now enter the key details for your ticket. In the title field, use a clear name that customers will recognize right away, like the event name and the day or time. In the description box, explain what the ticket includes and what attendees should expect. Keep it easy to read and include the event date directly in the description so it is visible even if customers skim. If you have important attendance notes, like doors opening time or general admission wording, this is the place to add that context. Next, upload an image. This can be a ticket-style graphic, a promotional poster, or an event banner. Choose an image that looks good on both desktop and mobile, since many customers will shop from their phones. A clean image helps your product look trustworthy and makes the listing easier to understand at a glance. After that, scroll down to the shipping section. Find the option that says, "This is a physical product," and uncheck it. This is an important setting because event tickets are not shipped like a physical item. Turning this off prevents Shopify from charging your customer for shipping and helps treat the ticket like a digital product. Now set your inventory. Use your venue capacity as your guide. If your venue holds a certain number of attendees, set your available quantity to that amount so Shopify can automatically stop sales when you reach capacity. This helps you avoid overselling and keeps your ticket count accurate as orders come in. Once everything looks correct, click Save. At this point, your event ticket exists as a product in Shopify, with the right details, the right image, shipping turned off, and inventory set to match your capacity. That covers everything you need to know.